warm welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. India celebrates 65th Republic Day. President takes a dig at AAP style of politics, calls it anarchy. Clear-cut mandate must for stable government after Loksabha polls. President appeals voters. Republic Day celebrations across Goa too. Governor appeals war against crime on women. Says genuine partnership between government and people can bring positive and progressive change. Kamrabad Taligaon gets state-of-the-art high-tech primary school. CM inaugurates a pilot project. GSIDC to renovate and rebuild around 950 government primary schools. Leopard death at Tishebori in Forne raises alarm. 8th leopard dead in last almost 1 year. Forne, Sattari, Khotigaon areas vulnerable. Prudent special report. And Goa India beat Macau to enter Lusophobia Games football final. Purva Dikshit wins gold medal in taekwondo. Hosts enter men's basketball final. Women get bronze medal. Now news in detail. President Pranab Mukherjee says government is not a charity shop and populist anarchy cannot be a substitute for governance. Elections do not give any person the license to flirt with illusions. He was addressing the nation on the occasion of India's 65th Republic Day. He has also appealed the voters to vote for clear and stable government for the forthcoming Lok Sabha polls. President's utterance has attracted sharp reactions from the AAP.
Those who seek the trust of voters must promise only what is possible. Government is not a charity shop. Populist anarchy cannot be a substitute for governance. False promises lead to disillusionment, which gives birth to rage, and that rage has one legitimate target: those in power. This rage will abate only when governments deliver what they were elected to deliver.
Republic Day celebrations were held across Goa too. The Governor Bharatveer Vanshu has called for a moral war on crimes against women and children. He addressed a state-level function to mark the 65th Republic Day function at Kampal on Sunday. Governor said only genuine partnership between government and people can bring positive and progressive change. He also assured that the government is with the families of the victims of the Kankona building collapse tragedy.
Only a genuine partnership between government and its people can bring about positive change to create a just and progressive society. In any democratic system, there are bound to be differences on important issues. Citizens should judge what is right in the overall interest of the state and subordinate vested interests to social good. On this auspicious day, let us together declare a moral war on crimes against women and children. Let us identify the shortcomings that are responsible for the increasing crimes and chart a new agenda. I hope there will be a positive response from the citizens in this regard. Today is a day of joy, but on this joyous occasion, our hearts go out to our fellow citizens who recently lost their near and dear ones in tragic circumstances at Kankona. Our deepest sympathies are with the families that suffered loss of life and property. I want to assure the people that the state stands with them in this moment of crisis.
Now look at the taluka level Republic Day celebrations in the state.
January 26th is a very significant day, the day of establishment of Free India, which guarantees secularism, peace, equality, justice, among other things. Today is also a day when we recall with gratitude the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. who with determination and selflessly struggle and sacrifice their uttermost. Our freedom fighters sacrificed their lives, their families, for giving freedom to us, and through their efforts, we taste the fruit of freedom.
संबंध राज्याचा विचार करता असताना शिक्षण क्षेत्र हे मुख्य क्षेत्र धरून सरकार आमचं प्रयत्नशील असा. विकास हो एका मनशाच्या हातून जाऊ शकना. विकास हो सगळे लोक एकठांय आयले जाल्यार जातलो. या वेळार ह्या व्यासपीठा वयल्यान उलयता आसतना म्हाका खूब आनंद जाता की ओपा वॉटर वर्क्स 25 MND प्लांट आम्ही काम चालू केले, जे 110 कोटीचे काम आसा.
देशाबद्दल प्रेम त्यांच्या मनात एक अशा तरेन आम्ही तयार करपाची गरज आसा जेणे करून प्रत्येकाक आपलो देश म्हणजे कितें, देश प्रेम म्हणजे कितें आणि देशा खातीर आमी कितें करूंक जाय, प्रत्येक मनशाचे प्रत्येक व्यक्तीचे जे कार्य आसा आणि बरें कार्य आहा हेच देशाक फुडें व्हरूंक सोदता. आणि आमचे देशाचे भवितव्य आयच्या माणकुल्या भुरग्यांच्या हातीन आसा. आमी तांकां मार्गदर्शन करून हे सगळे गोष्टी अशी कित्येक गोष्टी आहा आयज चड वेळ घेना. म्हाका दिसता आमचे ऑनरेबल CM भाई पर्रीकर यांच्या मार्गदर्शना सकल ह्या सरकारान खूबशीं कामां गोंयकारां खातीर डेव्हलपमेंटाची केल्ली आसा दिसून येता.
काल राष्ट्रपतीन रिपब्लिक डेचे भाशणान सांगला राष्ट्राक 2 धोके आहा. एक धोको म्हटल्यार तेणेन फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक फ्रॅक्चर्ड मॅन्डेट आसपा जायना, स्थिर सरकार येवपा जाय. आणि भ्रष्टाचार ह्या राष्ट्राक पोखरता. राष्ट्रपतीन 2 गोष्टी सांगल्या, दोन्ही गोष्टींक महत्व आहा. भ्रष्टाचार खऱ्यानीच ह्या राष्ट्राक पोखरता, राष्ट्राक हे कमजोर करता. आणि दुसरं म्हटल्यार राष्ट्र बरे भशेन चलपाक जाय जाल्यार स्थिर सरकार जावं. हे दोनूच विशयांचेर विचार करपा जाय.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.